Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic QCAD tutorial how to change line thickness. First I will draw lines with these tools, lines from 2 points, and we click in here, press Ctrl button to create straight line and press Escape button to close. Now if you want to change this line thickness, you can select the line objects and then go to property editor dialog box. Click on line weight. Like for example, I will set into 1 and the line thickness will be automatically changed. I will select this single line, then change again, line type, the line weight into 0,5 to be more small, and I will select this line, we set the line weight into 0,4. Okay, that's it for a basic QCAD tutorial, how to change line thickness. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.